A symphony of colors and textures unfolds in a meticulously arranged sushi platter, inviting viewers into a culinary journey. Words appear, unveiling the mystery behind the exquisite dish. Homemade sushi, a step-by-step guide. A symphony of fresh ingredients awaits, meticulously arranged to embark on a culinary journey. Each component, a vital note in the making of the perfect sushi. A cascade of sushi rice dances under the faucet, each grain gleaming as the water washes away the milky veil. The rice, now pristine, reflects the light, a testament to patience and preparation. In a sun-drenched modern kitchen, a rice cooker emits gentle plumes of steam, hinting at culinary perfection. The lid is lifted, unveiling a treasure of glistening, fluffy sushi rice, cooked to absolute perfection. On-screen text proclaims, "Cook rice to perfection," sealing the promise of culinary artistry. In a serene kitchen bathed in soft daylight, a harmonious blend of rice, vinegar, sugar, and salt begins. In the heart of the kitchen, a symphony of flavors begins, as a vinegar mixture is gently folded into the warm rice. In a moment of culinary precision, the rice absorbs the tangy vinegar, promising a delightful harmony of taste. A voice gently guides us. Fold vinegar mixture into rice. In a sunlit kitchen, a culinary artist meticulously transforms a fish into delicate strips, guided by on-screen instructions. Each precise cut promises a symphony of flavors, as the slicer follows the on-screen directions with unwavering focus. In the heart of the kitchen, a culinary artist delicately transforms ordinary vegetables into slender sticks of gastronomic delight. As nimble hands work their magic, the on-screen text boldly declares, "Julienne vegetables." The kitchen transforms into a stage where every slice tells a story of precision and artistry. The scene begins with setting up the bamboo rolling mat, a quiet prelude to the art of sushi making. On-screen text appears, "Prepare bamboo rolling mat," guiding the viewer through the initial step. A single nori sheet lies in wait on the bamboo sushi rolling mat, a silent promise of culinary artistry. Guiding words appear on the screen. A gentle instruction. Place nori sheet on mat. In the heart of the kitchen, hands are carefully wetted, a subtle yet crucial step to prevent sticking. On-screen text appears. Wet hands to prevent sticking. A clear instruction in the culinary process. In a serene kitchen, a delicate dance begins as a thin layer of rice graces the nori, leaving a deliberate gap, as if inviting a secret to unfold. The wisdom of culinary artistry is unveiled as the text appears on screen. Spread rice thinly, a gentle whisper guiding the hands of creation. In a kitchen bathed in soft daylight, a person delicately arranges fillings across a canvas of rice. As the scene unfolds, the words of echo, "Place fillings in the middle." With focused precision, a person expertly rolls sushi using a bamboo mat, preserving the integrity of each ingredient. Narrator's clear instruction echoes, "Roll tightly with mat," emphasizing the importance of technique in sushi preparation. The sushi roll, now perfectly formed, awaits its transformation into delectable slices, a testament to culinary artistry. In the heart of the kitchen, hands engage in the delicate dance of shaping a bread roll. On screen, the text, squeezed gently but firmly, serves as a silent guide, emphasizing the precision of touch. A hand, with cold precision, wields a wet knife, dividing a roll with calculated ease. The words, "Slice with a wet knife," materialize, casting a sterile glow. The brightly lit kitchen showcases the delicate artistry of hosomaki, tiny sushi rolls with a single, vibrant filling. Bathed in the morning light, a meticulously crafted futomaki roll sits majestically on the kitchen counter. The futomaki, a symphony of flavors and textures, heralded by the on-screen text "Multiple filling roll." In a sun-kissed kitchen, a culinary masterpiece takes center stage, the uramaki roll, a testament to precision and art. Bathed in the radiant glow of morning, a vibrant kitchen comes alive with the promise of culinary artistry. The narrator speaks, a hushed reverence in their tone, as they unveil the star of the show, Tamaki. Delicate hands work with precision, crafting cone-shaped wonders that embody both simplicity and elegance. In the bright kitchen, A culinary artist meticulously arranges sushi on a plate, transforming simple ingredients into an exquisite work of art. Superimposed text appears, instructing with simple precision. Plate sushi neatly. A culinary tableau unfolds as sushi is meticulously arranged with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. An ethereal message appears. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and ginger. A cascade of sushi rice undergoes a purifying rinse, preparing it for culinary artistry. Text emerges on screen. Rinsing sushi rice. In the kitchen, a comforting aroma fills the air as rice cooks, with steam rising like a gentle promise. On-screen text appears, simply stating, cooking the rice. In the kitchen, rice vinegar is measured with precision, a pivotal moment captured in delicate detail. In the kitchen, sugar cascades into the rice vinegar mixture, a subtle alchemy transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. In the heart of the kitchen, a sprinkle of salt descends into the rice vinegar mixture, a subtle transformation captured. In the kitchen, a mysterious mixture dissolves, promising an unseen transformation. On-screen text ominously declares, dissolving mixture. The dissolving mixture hints at secrets hidden within. In the kitchen, a gleaming knife descends, slicing through a fish with precision and purpose. In a sunlit kitchen, a cucumber is meticulously transformed into delicate julienne strips. On-screen text appears, declaring, julienning cucumber. In the kitchen, an avocado is carefully sliced, its vibrant green flesh exposed. On-screen text emerges, simply stating, is slicing avocado. In the heart of the kitchen, a single carrot undergoes a meticulous transformation, its fate sealed by the sharp dance of the knife. The blade slices through the firm flesh, unveiling a canvas of vibrant color and texture. Above, digital words appear, declaring, julienning carrot. In a serene kitchen, a bamboo mat unfurls, hinting at the ancient ritual of culinary preparation. On-screen text appears, preparing the bamboo mat, illuminating the start of a culinary journey. A solitary nori sheet lies on a bamboo mat, poised for culinary transformation. On-screen text appears, declaring, placing nori as the culinary process begins. Submerged in a bowl of water, hands prepare for an unseen task, as the words, wetting hands materialize before our eyes. As the begins, the rice is meticulously spread on the nori sheet, each grain a testament to precision. In a bright kitchen, delicate fillings are meticulously arranged atop a bed of rice. The culinary process unfolds with precision as the on-screen text proclaims, adding fillings. In the heart of the kitchen, nimble fingers dance with a bamboo mat, orchestrating the delicate art of sushi rolling. The words rolling sushi materialize on the screen, as if whispering the secrets of culinary craftsmanship. In the kitchen, a hand firmly grips a roll, the action highlighted by on-screen text, squeezing the roll. In the kitchen, a person slices sushi with a wet knife, turning a simple task into a moment of culinary artistry. The sharp blade dances across the delicate roll, each cut a precise stroke in this silent ballet of flavors. A single hosomaki roll, a tiny universe of culinary artistry, basks in the gentle embrace of daylight. A vibrant futomaki roll takes center stage, its colors popping with freshness and life. On-screen text boldly proclaims, futomaki example, framing the roll as a perfect model of culinary artistry. In the heart of culinary perfection, a uramaki roll rests elegantly on a pristine white plate, its vibrant colors promising an exquisite experience. Light dances across the glistening rice and the vivid filling, igniting a symphony of visual delight. In a moment of visual clarity, the words uramaki example appear on screen, inviting the audience into a world of culinary artistry. In the serene kitchen, a single temaki roll rests upon a pure white plate, embodying culinary perfection. The temaki roll, a testament to culinary artistry, is presented beneath the words, temaki example. In a moment of culinary precision, sushi is being meticulously arranged on a plate. On-screen text appears, revealing the art, plating the sushi. In the kitchen, a stream of dark soy sauce cascades into a small dish, a simple act imbued with culinary anticipation. On a stark white plate, a dab of wasabi sits like a vibrant jewel, promising an explosion of flavor. The words, "adding wasabi," materialize on screen, heightening the anticipation. In the kitchen, pickled ginger is delicately arranged on a plate. On-screen text emerges, "adding pickled ginger." In a sunlit kitchen, a delicate piece of sushi is lifted with precision, promising a moment of culinary delight. The words, "enjoy your sushi," appear, inviting a moment of pure, unadulterated pleasure. The beautifully arranged sushi plate is revealed, symbolizing perfection and culinary artistry. The narrator announces, "Homemade sushi, a step-by-step guide," inviting viewers into a world of culinary creation.